Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be making oil rice, which is also known as the native jollof rice. So it's called native jollof rice because it makes use of different local ingredients such as the Iru, the scent leaf, the Panla, which is also called Ejakika, and the palm oil. So I'm going to be dropping the ingredients I use on the description bar. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. So first of all, we're going to add oil to our pot. Then we're going to add our onions. You allow this cook for 5 minutes. Then we're going to add our tomato and pepper blend. Then we'll stir and let it cook. Then we'll add our crayfish. We'll add our uru. I'm using powdered uru, but you can get the normal one and use. Then I'll add my yellow pepper. Then I'll add my crushed chicken cubes. Then I add salt and spice. Then I'm going to add my dried prawns. Add the panla and my Ponmo. So I'm going to stay. Then I'm going to cover and let it cook for 5 minutes. Rice already parboiled. Then I'm going to add water, just enough to cook the rice. Then cover. Then you can see the rice is already boiling up. So I'm going to cover the pot with foil paper. So the reason for using foil paper is to allow the rice to cook without needing to add more water. So I'm using the steam of the rice to cook. As you can see, the rice is already cooked. Then we're going to add our scent leaf. And our oil rice is ready. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.